Swipe, tap, and bank with ease. Why Euro? Let's get the Chase Bank mobile app set up on your phone right now. First things first, unlock your smartphone and locate your device's App Store for Apple users. This is the App Store. For Android users, it's the Google Play Store. Once you've opened your App Store, tap on the search bar at the top now. Carefully type in Chase Bank and press the search or enter button. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official Chase mobile app. It usually has the familiar Chase logo. Tap on the app to view its details. On the app's information page, you'll see an install or get button. Tap this button to begin downloading and installing the application onto your phone. You might need to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's password. Once the installation is complete, you'll find the Chase mobile app icon on your phone's home screen. Tap on it to open the app for the first time. The app will open to a welcome screen. Since you likely already have a Chase account, find and tap the Login button. You'll now be prompted to enter your existing Chase online username and password. Type them in carefully. For security, Chase may ask you to verify your identity. This could be through a text message, code, an email, or by confirming on another trusted Chase device. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Congratulations! You've successfully logged into the Chase mobile app. You can now explore your accounts, view transaction history, and even make mobile check deposits by tapping the respective options. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the app. Features like mobile check deposit and bill pay are incredibly convenient for managing your finances on the go.